Do you know, based on the equation above, if the equilibrium is going to shift to the left or to the right, or if the pH is going to increase or decrease? If not, stay with me until the end of this video and let's crush some IB questions.
Let's go.
Carbon dioxide dissolves in water as shown in the equation below. What will happen if the temperature of the aqueous solution is increased? Increase the temperature of this solution right here in this reversible equation. So that's Le Chatelier's principle. What is important to note in this particular equation here? The delta H has a negative sign. That means that the forward path or the right path, the path that goes to the right, is exothermic. We also need to acknowledge the presence of H3O+. That's the acid ion, also known as the hydronium ion. So if you got H+ or H3O+, that means that whatever shifts the equilibrium to the right is also making the solution more acid. So it's decreasing. So we have to acknowledge that shifting this equation forward or rightwards, shifting forward will decrease the pH, is going to make my solution more acid.
Why, mister? Why will it make the solution more acid?
Because it's the right path, if you look over here, the forward path that forms the H3O+ ion, also known as the hydronium ion, also known as
What makes solutions acid?
We also have to know that increasing temperature, and this is valid for every and all equilibrium relations, increasing temperature will always shift to the endothermic path. Because if you are providing more energy, the reaction will shift to the side that's going to absorb that energy. And in this case, the endothermic path is the left path because delta H is negative. If delta H was positive, the forward path would be the endothermic path. If we increase the temperature, we will be shifting the equation to the left path. What would be the consequences of shifting this equilibrium to the left? Well, I am going to now consume hydronium ions. I'm going to lower the concentration of these ions because I'm moving the reaction away from it. Therefore, the pH will become less acid. The pH will go up. The pH will increase. So we can already eliminate A and D. The sign of the delta H is negative, means that our forward path is exothermic. And we also know that increasing the temperature every time,
Write this down.
increasing the temperature always shifts the equilibrium towards the endothermic path. So increasing the temperature in this case will shift our equation to the left.
Alternative letter C.
All right, everybody, for more questions like this, follow my Instagram and TikTok accounts at Mr. Diego Tutoring. And please also follow and subscribe to my YouTube channel at Crushing Chemistry on YouTube. For private tutoring sessions, send me a personal message on Instagram and we can schedule your tutoring session from all over the world. See you next time. Bye-bye.